Alright, there's this parking garage here in Battle Creek. Got an Otis 211 Series 1. Smells like cleaning spray or cleaning solution in here. Better than smelling like other things, though. Here it is. Up to 5. Cool Series 1 panel. Bouncy. Whew. That's a rough stop. What the hell is making that noise? That's loud. Don't go, don't go, don't go. That's also loud. Very noisy up here at the 5th floor. Basic Otis phone. It's a rainy day today. And here we are at the bottom. There's a look up. Let's see if the voice guy. You can hear that loud thing from all the way down here. Anyway. Oh yeah, you can hear it up the stairwell. Anyway, that's it.